Hold on tight, folks. The world of engineering is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming how we design, build, and create. From self-driving cars to bridges that monitor their own health, AI is taking on tasks once considered the exclusive domain of human engineers. This new era of intelligent machines promises incredible advancements, but it also raises questions about the future of work for millions of engineers worldwide. Don't worry though, this isn't a robots versus humans story. It's about understanding how we can adapt, learn, and thrive alongside these powerful new tools. So what exactly is AI? You might have heard the term thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on building machines that can think, learn, and solve problems, almost like humans do. Imagine a computer program that can learn from experience just like you and me. Instead of just following instructions, it adapts and gets better over time, using information it gathers from the world around it. It can analyze massive amounts of data, spot patterns we might miss, and make decisions based on what it learns. This means it can find solutions to problems that would take humans much longer to figure out. Think of it as having a super smart assistant who can crunch numbers at lightning speed, never gets tired, and constantly improves its skills. It's always learning, always evolving, and always ready to help. This might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. AI is quietly working behind the scenes in ways you might not even notice, making our lives easier and more efficient every day. AI is being used to design more efficient airplanes, helping engineers create safer and faster ways to travel by analyzing countless design possibilities in a fraction of the time. It can predict traffic patterns in cities, helping to reduce congestion and make commutes smoother for everyone by suggesting the best routes in real time, and even diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, supporting doctors in making faster, more reliable decisions that can save lives. It's like having an army of brilliant minds working around the clock to solve our most challenging problems, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Let's get down to specifics. The world of engineering is undergoing a remarkable transformation, and it all starts with how we approach design and safety. Remember those long nights engineers used to spend poring over blueprints and calculations? It was a painstaking process, requiring hours of manual effort and intense concentration to ensure every detail was just right. Today, AI is now automating many of those tasks, taking over repetitive calculations and error checking, and allowing for faster, more accurate results. For example, in construction, AI-powered software can generate three-dimensional models of buildings in minutes, optimizing designs for safety, sustainability, and even cost efficiency. These digital models can simulate real-world conditions, helping engineers anticipate challenges before construction even begins. This frees up human engineers to focus on more creative and strategic